My name is Ivana Leon. I'm a Sergeant Promotable.
And what is your MOS?
92 Yankee Supply.
And you're the supply NCO?
Yes.
Okay, so just quick question. When did you graduate AIT, if you can remember?
2018.
2018. And how long was it?
It was 3 months, roughly. Yeah.
3 months AIT?
Mm-hmm.
How was the AIT? Like,
It was...
did you get your phone and?
No.
No,
So
you didn't get your phone.
it was kind of like basic training. We were not allowed to go to the PX by yourself, not off post. You were able to have your computer to do like some classes after your 92 Yankee class.
How accurate would you say like the AIT training is to like the real life actual job?
Not very accurate, because once you get to your unit, you will see like they use different methods. GCS Army is one of the main things, and they barely cover that. Well,
Okay.
that was when I was in AIT. I don't know about now.
AIT changes like all the time. Yeah, we're doing this interview in a public space. So you're an NCO. What would you say is the difference between being an NCO for a 92 Yankee and just being a junior enlisted?
So as a clerk, you will have less responsibilities. But in my case, once I got out of AIT, I was put in a position of an NCO. My staff sergeant, she was about to give birth, so she took like 3 months, I think, out of leave, and then she was going to ETS after that.
Wow.
So I was a PV2 in a E5 position, no soldiers under me, but still it was just a supply run by myself, so a lot of responsibilities. But now, as an E5, you will have a clerk, which basically do all the documents, you review it. As a 92 Yankee, what you do is take care of the property book, and you work next to the commander, first sergeant, and XO.
So you're around higher ups majority of the
Right.
time?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. How much free time do you think you really have as a 92 Yankee? For like if you want to study, to go to school or anything like that?
So everything is possible. I am currently working on my master's, but you just need to make your time. Like, if you organize your schedule and then work with your team to make it happen, then you'll be able to.
Like, who would you recommend this job specifically for?
Anybody really, because it's something that you can learn. Even though AIT might teach you something, like in your unit you will have someone, your S4, your NCOIC, they will teach you how to do it. And then there's 92 Yankee Facebook page that they also provide a lot of help.
There's a Facebook page?
Oh yeah.
What?
Logistic is always a good thing to have on the civilian side. So I mean, to anybody. And it's a good job because like literally everybody in your unit will know who you are.
How easy do you think it is to actually get promoted in this MOS?
Okay, so back in 2019 when COVID hit, points were really low, like 50 to get promoted to sergeant and like 200, 300 to a staff sergeant. I got promoted to sergeant when I was like 2 years and a half.
That's actually really fast. Really fast promotion.
So I haven't even been in the Army for 5 years, and I'm a sergeant promotable. I've been working on points that now are super high. As long as you show up like a good PT, good weapons card, and all that, super easy to have.
When it comes down to actual difficulty with this job, how hard do you think it really is to learn it?
It is difficult to maintain the property book, yes, but at the same time, if you organize your stuff, then you'll be fine.
If you fail AIT, is there a specific MOS that they will fit you in?
I'm pretty sure they will send you to 92 Golf. I think that's
Oh,
Cooks.
the cook, yeah, the
Yes.
cooks.
Or 92 Alphas, which is it's logistic, but for the warehouse.
Oh, okay, so just working in the warehouse. I think that's more work. They got to move around on way more stuff than...
Yeah, I mean...
They give you a harder
debate.
job?
It's a debate.
Oh, there's a debate on it,
Yeah.
which is harder?
Yes.
Which one do you think is harder?
92 Yankees, of course.
Sounds very biased, but okay. Do you want to give your contact out if people want to message you and ask you for help?
Sure. So if you look me up on Facebook, it's Ivana Leon. Just message me if you have any question about AIT or your next duty station, or if you're coming to Korea, just let me know.
All right, well, there you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you, Sergeant Leona, for explaining the 92 Yankee and helping everybody out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.